Hi guys, my name is Starr Wallace, and again I want to thank you for tuning into my video today. Today I'll be talking about why it's important to do credit restoration in your life. Okay, let me tell you, did you know that there was ways that you can boost your score with restoration? I didn't believe it, but I tried it and I was blown away with my results within the first 45 days. And I also had a couple other clients try it and they were blown away also. So if this is something that you're looking to do in your life, or you know that you can assist someone else with this, definitely check with me here with my mini series, because I'll be giving great information on it. And also we can talk one-on-one about it also. Okay, so I want to thank you for tuning into my video today. Here I am, Starr Wallace, and share the information if you like it. If you'd like to connect with me, go ahead and inbox me. Like I said, I'm always looking to meet and connect with others around the world. Again, you be blessed. Till next time.